Welcome back. In the right side Canvas menu, you're going to see two additional icons, both representative of elements that you can add to your document. The first is primarily professional. You can click on this element that says Add Final Polish. We're going to click on this element. Once you click on the element, in order to activate Final Polish, you'll need to click the arrow button, and that'll add Final Polish to your document. And so ChatGPT will begin polishing your document. And you will see the editing taking place in real time. You can either take your output at this point, and you can copy it and place it inside of your word processing document. What you can also do is you can click on this element, and you can show any changes that have been made. So if I click this element, you can then see the changes that were made and all of the edits that have been added to your document. If I click on this element, you will then hide the changes that have been made. If you want to go backwards in time, you can click on this element to go to the previous version of the document. One final element you will see here in this area, you will see that you can add in emojis. We can click Add Emojis. In order to add emojis, we can then click on this element. And what you'll see is that ChatGPT will begin to add emojis to your document. And you will see the editing taking place in real time. In general, ChatGPT will summarize the work that it did. You can also click on any of these specific elements, and you can delete them if you want to delete them from your document. You can also notate the changes that have been made. You can unselect the Show Changes button, and you can also go backwards in time, and you can go to the previous version of the document. If you want to restore that version, you can click on this element that says Restore this version, and your document is restored to the previous version. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.